Tuning for Dummies is going to be our next video. Where are we going to find our dummy?
Travis.
Looks like we found our dummy. Let's get cooking.
Yeah, all right.
Travis has never tuned a car. In fact, he's never even changed his own oil. So today we're gonna figure out if it's actually as easy to tune a car as we say it is, and if a beginner can do it. Travis! Here at IE, we're mostly made up of car guys who know more than what the average person knows. Now Travis, he's not that guy. Travis, you ready?
Is it time already?
It's time. You ready to tune the Mark 8?
All right.
Come on, come on, bud. Travis doesn't know, and today we're gonna be tuning the Mark 8 and driving for the first time all by himself. Now Travis, what do you even do here at IE?
So at IE, I am a digital content specialist. I do graphic design work, photography and videography, and all things creative.
What do you think tuning actually is?
From my understanding, that means we take the computer that is inside the car and we do a little bit of magic.
That is exactly
to
what
make
it is.
the engine perform better.
Basically all tuning is, in a super simple explanation, we're taking the software on the ECU, the engine's computer, and we're rewriting it so we can get more performance and fun out of the vehicle. So now that you know what tuning is, ready to give it a shot?
Yeah, dude.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, Travis, stage 1 tune. All you're gonna need is a power link and your phone. You're not gonna need any wrenches, no laptop, no mechanic, just you. So go ahead, download the PowerLink app on your phone. I think you have an iPhone, so it'll be on the App Store. It's also on the Google Play Store. Download that, and then we'll be good to go. Now, while he installs that app, I know he's super nervous because he thinks it's gonna blow up the car, but it's not gonna happen. We have a team full of software engineers and calibrators that really refine these tunes to make them powerful, but also safe. So it's basically foolproof. If you know how to use a smartphone, you can tune your car.
All right, dude, I got the app. I'm ready to go.
All right, now I could stick around and help you out, or I could leave.
I thought we were gonna do it together.
You got this, bud. Okay, I'll help you with one thing. You do wanna make sure that you have a battery charger, just so your battery doesn't die. So make sure you do that. Okay, you're good. See you later.
See you, Michael. It's like I'm on my own for this one.
That was so corny.
So this is the first step, is plugging this thing in. So first we're gonna plug in this power link to the OBD port on your vehicle. Power link is plugged into the OBD port, and we're gonna try and scan the device. Okay, device found, connecting device. This is a good sign. So we're finally in. Here's what we're gonna do. This is the first time I've really interacted with this app at all, but I'm assuming that we're gonna go to this tune page right here. We've got our pre-programmed checklist. Our battery charger is connected to our battery. We've got the hood open, ignition on, battery at 20% or higher. We're within 6 feet, and the app is still running. The car is running. Okay, that's good to know. Do not start engine. Okay, it says right here, do not start engine. I have the engine started right now, so that would have been bad. So we're gonna keep the ignition on, but turn this engine off here. Cautionary tale, if you're like me and you just wanna click all the pre-programmed checklist things and not actually read them, do not do that. I think it's time to tune now. This Mark 8 GTI was on Apex Stage 2. They had it flash back to stock, so I'm gonna put it back to Stage 2 Apex just like it was before. I know for a fact that we have an intake, an intercooler, and charge pipes on this vehicle. I don't know about these other two. Michael! 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 Okay, so I know we have the intake, the intercooler, and the charge pipes.
Yes.
But what do these other two
So
mean?
93 octane, that's your fuel type. We only have 91 here in Utah, so you don't need to do that.
Okay.
High torque, you would want to have a DSG tune.
Okay.
We can check that though. We like more power.
We do?
Yeah, we like more power.
All right, you heard that, guys. I think we're about ready to flash, so let's do it. We're finally starting the tune. Step 1 to 2, transferring data. To be completely honest with you, I really don't know what this is doing to the car. But I know that our calibrators and our engineers have spent an insane amount of time making this safe for your car, so I trust IE, and you should too. All right, it's been a couple minutes. We're at about 30%. I'm assuming it's gonna take a little bit while longer. I didn't really know how long it would take going into it. So again, just be patient and wait for the tune to finish. Boom, over 50%. We're moving. Huh? If you're doing push-ups like me, be sure to stay within 6 feet of that power link, or else it may disconnect and cause problems for your tune. Hey, there we go. 100%, baby. All right, let's see what else we need to do. We've got some other things happening, and we've got step 2. We've got some errors popping up here. So if you're having the same thing, don't be alarmed. Well, maybe be a little bit alarmed, but I'm gonna trust in our tune. I'm gonna trust in our engineers, and I think it'll be okay. Hopefully I didn't mess anything up. Why is it making so many errors? I don't understand. A lot of things happening down here. A lot of things that I don't understand or know what they are. You might be in the same boat. You might not be. We've also got a lot of error codes happening right now on this Mark8. So I hope I didn't screw anything up. I don't think I did, but I'm not really sure, to be 100% honest with you guys. Should I go grab an engineer? You want to tell me why so many error codes popped up as soon as I started doing the tune?
Oh, I think it's because it's replacing all that stuff.
It looks like we're rewriting a bunch of the software that's on the car's computer, at least from my understanding. So that's probably why all the codes are popping up, because we're doing some crazy shit. If I were to give some tips to any other dummies out there who want to tune their vehicle but don't really know how, I'm going to break it down to just a couple of things. First thing, please make sure to hook your battery up to a battery tender. You're going to need to do that, or else your battery might turn off and you're going to break your ECU, and that sucks. Number 2, please read all the prompts that show up before you tune. If you're like me and you had that ignition turned on but you also had the engine on, you're gonna mess things up. So make sure to double check all those prompts right there. And number 3, be patient. Let the tune do its thing and let it work its magic. It's going to work. It's gonna be great. There's a ton of data that it's reading and writing, so it's gonna take some time, so be patient. And we're about done with this. We're getting pretty close. Okay, and the flash is complete. Okay, I'm gonna take my own advice and let's read these steps. So we're gonna turn the ignition off. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. Step 2, start the car. And then shut off the car. And then we're gonna start the car one more time. And I'm just gonna press acknowledge. And there we go. So latest engine tune. We've got the Apex Stage 2 tune. Let's go talk to Michael and kind of go over how this went. All right, here we go.
I don't know.
First time driving a tuned car.
Need like 3 seatbelts or something. Oh yeah. Dude, these cars are fun.
Dude, holy shit.
It's different than a Tiguan?
Oh yeah.
You gotta get you one of these.
Dude, that gets the heart racing. Holy shit.
Hey,
that acceleration, that was fire.
It pulls pretty good. Especially
Yeah.
You're not used to it. Like it'll start pulling.
I want to do that again. Holy f, this thing is fast. It feels, dude, it feels awesome. Dude, best work day ever.
Oh yeah.
That shit sounds nice.
Yeah, you've really driven a car even in intake.
No,
Yeah,
no, never. No, I've never driven any sort of modified car.
Ever.
Yeah,
Ever.
I got it tuned. We did the tuning. We're on stage 2. Can you tell me what the tune actually did to the car?
So what the tune actually did is you flashing the car to stage 2 from the power link straight on your phone. That's just rewriting the software on the engine ECU with our custom code software. It's gonna give you a lot more power, responsiveness. You're gonna get a ton of more features as well, and also safety parameters that Volkswagen never even created.
Yeah. Dude.
And it just keeps going.
It just
too.
keeps going.
like a stock, you know, you get into the power band, and then once you're at those high RPMs, you usually lose power. But
No, it just keeps going.
this makes you want to get a vehicle of your own to tune.
Dude, kinda. I kinda want to.
We got him.
Yeah. Dude, this thing is fucking nuts. It's awesome.
It's actually cool because it's like
Yeah.
actually like.
I want to
crazy.
try. I want to do some rolling anti-lag now, or
How
launch
about-
control.
Let's try launch control.
Okay.
Have you ever launched a car?
No,
ever?
I've never launched
Okay,
a car.
Flip around right here. Flip around right here. Okay.
I'll pull over here real quick.
Okay, so all you're gonna do to launch, you need to be in sport mode. We already
Yep.
got traction control off. Foot all the way on the brake, your other foot all the way on the gas. We have it set to 3,500 RPM, so once it hits 3,500 RPM, let it sit there for maybe a second or two to build all the boost. And then you're gonna let go of the brake, keep your gas all the way down to the floor,
Yep.
and that'll give you your launch.
Okay. Easy peasy.
You got it.
All right, here we go, baby.
Okay, are you
First
ready?
launch control, dude. I'm ready.
Okay, let's see.
Could do it.
Woo!
Oh, we're moving. I feel like I may have f***ed it up there.
I think we were just spinning a little bit. Let me turn down first gear a little bit with our
Okay.
boost by gear.
With our boost by gear
by
adjustable
gear.
feature.
Let me turn down first. we were spinning like crazy.
Yeah?
Okay,
It's hard to tell.
So did you feel I was just kind of like
Yeah,
stagnant?
we were just sitting there.
It was just spinning. Oh yeah, that's better.
Woo!
How's that?
Yeah, that feels nice.
These cars are quick.
Holy shit. Dude, yeah, this is way more intense than the stock cars that I've driven in my life.
You ready for rolling anti-lag?
Yeah, sure.
You're gonna want to be in manual mode. So since we're in sport, pop the shifter right there. You'll be into click it up 1. Now we're in 3rd gear.
Mhm.
Let's go down actually to 2nd gear. So go to the
Oops.
use the other paddle.
Yeah.
I don't think he's ever used paddles before.
No,
but-
no, I've never driven a manual
Yeah, it's
car. I've
different.
never used paddles before.
Okay, so now that we are in 2nd gear,
Mhm.
you're gonna sit around 4,000 RPM, hold the set button on the cruise control, and then now tip in full throttle. Now let go of the set go, and there you go.
Damn. So we're at 4,000. We're holding down the set button.
Full
building
throttle.
up some boost, and let it go.
Oh, yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Those crackles sound nice too.
I think he's a changed man. You a car guy now?
Dude, I don't know.
I think you're a car guy.
There's a tiny chance that I might have been influenced since I started working here.
Mm.
Those crackles sound nice.
Oh yeah.
Or little burbles. I've got a Volkswagen Tiguan, and this thing is so much more responsive and so much more snappy. It doesn't feel like anything that I've ever driven before. I'd highly suggest giving it a try because it's insane. It's so fun.
Driving experience, tuning your car.
Mm-hmm.
Would you say it's worth it?
Absolutely. For how easy it is to tune the car, I know I had some troubles, but hopefully you can learn from my mistakes because tuning it isn't actually that difficult. Our app makes it extremely straightforward. If you have those new adjustable features, you will not regret picking up Apex because this is insane.
Apex sweet.
Yeah, you guys are gonna love it. So,
All right, well that does it. Travis was a complete noob. He successfully tuned a vehicle.
I did.
He drove that car. He enjoyed it.
Yep. I didn't blow up the car.
He did not.
I did not blow up the car.
Uh,
I successfully did launch control and rolling anti-lag.
so
So
smoke.
I don't know.
Just kidding.
Dude, you just scared the out of me. Oh my god.
We're good.
That was so mean.
We're good. He did not blow up the car.
I didn't blow up the car. And if you're intimidated by this stuff, don't be, because it's really not that difficult. And if I can do it, then you can do it too.
Well, there you have it. Travis basically came into this knowing nothing about tuning, and within a few minutes, he had the car tuned and was ripping around.
Sir.
So if you're ready to tune your Volkswagen or Audi, check out the link in the description and see what is compatible with your vehicle.
And head to performancebyie.com to pick up everything you need to build your dream VW or Audi vehicle.
Goodbye. Bye bye.
Did I really get you? Huh? Did I really get you? Yes. Oh, you scared the out of me.